Hey guys, are you struggling to get in and out of the car? Are you worried, concerned, or even a little ashamed when you know you have to go out to a business lunch or dinner? And can you tie your shoes without having to sit down? Or is even that a struggle?
And women, how about you? Is it like an act of gymnastics in the shower just to get clean and presentable? Or have you refused to buy one more article of clothing only to find yourself in the store buying more clothing? And how about everybody making that comment? You have such a pretty face. Hmm. I'm Lisa Marie.
And I'm Dr. Brian, and we want you all to join us December 2nd for a transformative workshop. Not only are we going to talk about weight loss, but we're going to go through several steps of what's called positive intelligence, or what we both like to refer to mental fitness. You'll learn three specific ways that you can keep the weight off. And honestly, additionally to that, we're going to be making an offer for you that will be irresistible. 12 weeks to transform not only the inner you, but the outer you at the same time. We'll share more about that on December 2nd. So register below. And also, when you register, there'll be a link to take the Positive Intelligence Saboteur Quiz. Email Lisa Marie or myself the results, and we'll schedule a quick overview of those as saboteurs before December 2nd. So let's make it happen. Register below.
Yeah. See you then.